Let me show you how I make this super quick and easy pizza margarita in the Grub Journal style. So I've taken a whole wheat pizza base here. It's a store-bought pizza base. You can choose your very own from your favorite store. Then I've just simply spread in tomato ketchup. So just spread your favorite tomato ketchup, which is readily available in your kitchen essential. Then take mozzarella cheese. I'm using pizza mozzarella cheese and grate as much as you want. So now is my secret ingredient, which is butter. I'm gonna top my pizza with some softened butter, and now what you're gonna see here, I'm gonna take my cheese and tomato ketchup, just give it a good mix so that it adds little bit of texture when it comes out of your oven. Now I'm gonna add in my cherry tomatoes and it's time to bake it. So bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes in your preheated oven, and look at that. I can even tell you how good it smells. Cut it into 6 pieces because that adds a lot of texture to your pizza. And then fresh basil leaves, drizzle of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and it's ready to grub.